Hello, good morning and Merry Christmas to everybody. We are today on a small trip to Fantasy World in Batangas, which is, if I'm informed right, a small abandoned amusement park. I've never been there. I just have seen there's like a couple of photo spots, picture spots. Hello doggy. And yeah, that's the trip for today. I hope everybody of you had a beautiful Christmas evening and Christmas days with the family. So let's go and enjoy this small trip. Yeah, what can I say? For the people who don't know me yet, my plan for the channel is basically take you with me on some daily rides, some longer trips through the Philippines, and basically just motorbike content. I don't plan fancy things here. I just want to show you like average life, a couple of small trips like today, and for next year I plan at least one big tour called the Luzon Loop or Northern Luzon Loop. Means like going to the north of the Philippines, on the northest island or northest biggest island. But the street here is crazy. And this trip will be like around 3 to 4 days, if I'm informed right. It is like 1,800 kilometers. So yeah. From my side, what can I say? If the videos or if you have something to complain about like quality, please let me know in the comments, since I'm absolutely new with my equipment. I got a DJI Action Pro 5 and a DJI mic. I still try to figure out which is the best setting or which are the best settings for you for motovlogs to deliver you the best quality. So please have a little bit time for me. Especially while cutting. I'm absolutely not experienced in cutting. It was my first time that I actually cut videos in my life. So yeah, I hope still that the quality of the videos is okay. Oh, the streets here have to take care 100%, otherwise you overshoot easy a corner. Since I have no idea where I'm going, I was never there before, I don't know the street, so I have to drive careful as hell. I love it to drive in the morning in the Philippines because it's still cold, it's absolutely not hot. I don't know how many degrees we have, but let's say something around 25, 23. Which is amazing for a small ride out. And yeah, if you like my content, if you like me, if you want to support me, leave a comment down below under the video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will upload every Monday a new video, or at least I try to upload every Monday a new video. Depends a little bit on the weather here. If it's obviously raining the entire week, in the raining season it's a little bit harder, but at least I try to upload one big video per week and a couple of shorts in between. I think this is Tagaytay already. What is so special on Tagaytay? Tagaytay is a small town directly next to a volcano, and this volcano basically, I hope I'm not too confused to explain that. The Philippines is an island. On this island is a lake. Inside this lake you have an island where another lake is. And inside this last small lake there is a volcano in the middle. I will try to show it later to you, that you understand a little bit what the hell I'm talking about. But it's actually nice. It's an active volcano, so I personally prefer to not live near to it. The last eruption is like a couple of years ago, I don't know how much, but it is pretty active. There's always ash plumes coming out, but yeah. So I personally prefer to visit it, see it sometimes, and then it's okay. So yeah, this is Tagaytay already. It's not that huge, but a nice area. I like Tagaytay in general. You got a couple of nice restaurants here, shopping malls, and of course the beautiful view of the Taal Volcano. This here is already the street which leads basically around the volcano. So yeah, I try to get a view somewhere, but I cannot promise you if I get a view on this way, maybe on the way back. Thank you. So I take a small break here to give you a view. So there you see what I'm talking about. Basically, you have this lake here in the middle, this small island. On this small island is a lake, and in this lake is a volcano. Currently it's not active, but most of the times it is active. Like the last couple of weeks or months it was pretty active. At the backside you see already bigger mountains. This is not a lake anymore. This is actually on this side, this is not a volcano. The volcano is here, the small pile in the middle, if you can see that here. I try to mark it on the video. And yeah, this is Taal Lake and the Taal Volcano. Beautiful view. There's like a lot of places that you can go, like left side on the lake. I'm currently on the right side of the lake. My tour trip is basically over there somewhere, like in this direction. I don't know where exactly, but I will find it. And maybe in the next video I will go over to the left side to give you even a better view of the volcano. So yeah, if you would like to see a volcano from a better perspective, it's basically a volcano, an underwater volcano in the lake. Stay tuned and check the next video out. So this is the last street to Fantasy World. Look at this nature here. Right side mountains, in front of the mountains is the ocean, on the left side is an island with a volcano. This is so crazy. That's why I love this country, like seriously. Is this nice? I have to be a little bit careful here with the curves. This is crazy here. There's a permanent cloud coming over the mountain, but I actually think really it is the volcano. It looks like. It doesn't look like a normal cloud to me. Oh, and I see the castle. So yeah, I switched quick to my phone. This is the famous Fantasy World, the abandoned amusement park here. There you see the road goes up there, the mountain. And this is the main entrance there in front on the castle. There you see like the spooky thing here on the side. And yeah, behind you still have the sea. Over there is the sea, or the lake Taal with the volcano. So yeah, beautiful here. And there's actually a lot of people gathering around here everywhere. So yeah, that was the viewpoint for the Fantasy World in Batangas. Nothing big, like I said before at the beginning of the video, just a small trip for today, a daily ride. And I will go to the opposite side of the lake right now, but that will be in the next video. So if you enjoy my content and if you would like to support me, leave a comment down below, like the video and leave a subscribe to the channel. That would really help me to push my videos a little bit for the beginning. And I hope we see us in the next video then. So far, if not, enjoy the last days of the years, enjoy a happy new year and take care. Bye bye.